Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. In this video today, we are going to see how to apply animations in PowerPoint on a chart. So please stay tuned. For example, if you have an Excel chart inserted on your PowerPoint presentation, which is normally there in most of the presentations. So here we have a chart in which we are going to show the targets and the sales of a company in the last 4 years. Okay, so what happens when there's a chart with no animation? So click on the slideshow button. You see the chart appearing all at once. So we don't want it. Let's see how to animate it in different ways. Okay. Let's go back, select the chart and click on Animations tab and then click on Appear. So the chart appears at once. Now go here, the effect option has just changed. So click on Effect Options. Here you see different options to be animated. So first is the as one object, which is the same as appearing as one object, which is normally there as appear. The second one is by series. So these are the series. The target is one series, the sales is one series. So if you select this, the entire series appears at once. By category. So this is one category, 2016 is one category, 17, 18 and 19 is one category. So if you select this, it appears by category. So you can talk about this year and then go to this year and this year. So let's try by series first and go to animations. Click on it. So the entire series from 2016 to 2009 appears. In case you want to talk about the targets for the last 4 years, you want to use this type of animation. And again, click once, the entire series of sales appears. So if you want to compare the target and sales for the last 4 years, you might want to use this animation. Or else, let's go back and select by category and see what happens. Go to the show. So this option, when selected, the categories appear on clicks. Okay, 2016, if you want to talk about the target and sales, how we did. 17, this happened. 18, this happened, and finally 19. So this option gives you the different ways of showing the categories. Okay, then go back and see by element in series option. Select this, go to the PowerPoint show. Okay, so here the elements in the series appear one by one. So if you want to talk about this, and click here, this appears, click here, this appears, and click here, this appears. So the elements in a series are broken down here. So the entire series doesn't appear at once. Okay, then click here. So the elements in series appear one by one. So that's how it is. Then let's try the last option, by elements in category. Click here. Okay, so now the elements in category are broken one by one on clicks. Your charts in PowerPoint so that you have your audience's attention and you give a beautiful presentation to your audience. So thanks for watching. Have a good day and please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.